Hello viewers, it's Habiba from Maths Tutorial. In my previous video, I already have discussed about this chapter and I am showing some workouts on Surds here. Now first of all, simplification, some simplification here. Root 28 minus 175 plus root 112. And then root 7 into 4 minus root 7 into 25 plus root 7 into 16, then root 7 into root 4 minus root 7 into root 25 plus root 7 into root 16. I am giving the bracket here. 2 root 7 minus 5 root 7 plus 4 root 7. So 2 root 7 and 4 root 7, these are positive and these are negative. This is the negative, and then only root 7 left, and this is the answer for number 1. And then let's go to another one. Root 112 minus plus 224 over root 28. And then again root 7 into 16 minus 63 root 9 into 7 plus 224 by 7 into 4, then 4 root 7 minus 3 root 7 plus 224 divided by 2 root 7, and then 4 root 7 minus 3 root 7 plus 112 divided by root 7, and then for 7 3 root 7, only root 7 left, plus 112 divided by root 7, then root 7 and root 7 whole square plus 112, and then 7 plus 112 by root 7, and 7, then 119 by root 7, but we should remove the surd from the denominator by rationalizing, and again root 7, and then root 7 119 root 7 divided by 7, and then 17 root 7, and that is the answer. Here is another problem for you. Express the following in the form of a plus b root c. Here I am given root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 minus 2, and I should express this term into this term, and root 7 plus 2
divided by root 7 minus 2. Then I should multiply this with the conjugate surd. The conjugate surd will be root 7 plus 2 because root 7 minus 2 is in denominator. Root 7 plus 2 into root 7 plus 2, root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2 equal to root 7 plus 2 whole square divided by root 7 whole square minus 2 square. Then root 7, it is if we will take it a plus b whole square, then root 7 square plus 2 root 7 into 2 plus 2 square divided by root 7 minus 4 equal to 7 plus 4 root 7 plus 4 divided by 3. Then 11 plus 4 root 7 divided by 3 equal to 11 by 3 plus 4 by 3 root 7. And now this is expressed as a plus b root c. A plus b root c. I expressed in this way, and that is the answer. Here is another simplification, that 1 plus root 2 divided by root 5 plus root 3 plus 1 minus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 3. So we should go for LCM here. Root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. Then 1 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 3 plus 1 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 3. Then root 5 plus root 10, root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 into equal to root 10 minus root 3 minus root 6 plus root 5 minus root 10 plus root 3 minus root 6. 3 2 is 6, root 6. The multiplication rule was followed. Root 5 square minus root 3 square. Then root 10 plus root 10 minus root 10 and minus root 3 plus root 3. So there are 2 root 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by 5 minus 3 equal to 2 common. Root 5 minus root 6 divided by 2 equal to only root 5 minus root 6, and this is simplified. This is the answer. Then another one, I have to show you another example. 7 root 3 plus 2 root 5. 7 root 3 plus 2 root 5 divided by 3 root 5 minus 2 root 3. I should simplify this. 7 root 3 plus 2 root 5 divided by 3 root 5 minus 2 root 3. And I should multiply this with the conjugate surds. The conjugate surd should be 3 root 5 plus 2 root 3. Then I am multiplying the numerator and denominator with the conjugate surds. 3 root 5 plus 2 root 3. Right? 3 root 5 plus 2 root 3. Then 7 root 3 plus 2 root 5 into 3 root 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 root 5 whole square minus 2 root 3 whole square equal to 3 7 21 root 3 root 3 into 5 15 plus 6 root 5 whole square plus 14 root 3 whole square 7 2 14 root 3 whole square plus 2 2 4 into 3 5 15 4 root 15 divided by 3 3 9 into 5 minus 2 2 4 into 3. And here is use calculation here. So 21 root 15 plus 6 into 5 plus 14 into 3 plus 4 root 15 divided by 45 minus 12. Then 21 plus 4 25 root 15 plus 30 plus 42 divided by 33. Then 25 root 15 plus 72 divided by 33. Then I am giving 1 by 33 out here. 25 root 15 plus 72, and this is simplified, and that is the answer. And that's all, viewers. Thank you.